think one of the things that's really interesting in the content world right now is that this is kind of the golden age for content operations and things like that. And we're starting to see a true separation of these things, right? Where people are really starting to realize they need separation of concerns between the aspects of the content stack or ecosystem that manage content and those parts that deliver it and those parts where people experience it, which is actually quite new. That's a new paradigm. Well, maybe not a new paradigm, but it's new in practice in a lot of ways.
Correct. And that's where the role of a management information architect is being recognized. And getting back to the theme of this discussion, which is when I'm working with teams that are building that ecosystem that has the delivery pieces and then that managed hub of content, there's multiple Agile projects going on. So each of the delivery portals has their own development process. And when I'm talking most recently about this is the idea that we're building the source of all the content and what does that repository have to manage in order to, like I said, provide that transactional framework. So it's not just the content structures, it's also the deliverable structures and the metadata that will power that content. And our job is to harmonize all that. Our job is not to have to provide every piece of metadata that a delivery platform may need because maybe it doesn't belong on the source. But as we're working with the other developers and other solution architects to handle the actual code or the configuration of a repository, we need to start with them at the very beginning, with the sprint zero around requirements and be part of that planning exercise as opposed to either being completely ignored in the process or an afterthought.